Yes, Reverend Father Lute to deliver his inspiring message.
Good morning, dear sisters, teachers, and my dear children. Good morning. I can't hear you from back. Say good morning. From back. Say good morning. Not from front, from back. Say good morning. How are you all? I'm good. I'm good. Are you tired? Those who are tired, please lift your hands. Let me see. Those who are tired, don't worry about your teachers. Those who are tired, just lift your hands. Let me see. So no one is tired. All are happy. Very good, very good. So first of all, I want to congratulate all the ministers, all the captains. So special congratulations to all the ministers. Let us clap our hands. And all the very best to all the ministers and all the captains. Children, do you know what is lion? Telsa. Simgan Telsa. Telsa Teliyala. How powerful it is. Is it powerful or very weak, the lion? Powerful. Do you know what is donkey? Donkey is powerful or weak? If the lion and the donkey, if they fight each other, who will win?
Lion.
Okay, now another question. There are so many lions, and the leader of the lion is a donkey. Who is leading the lion? The donkey. Other side, so many donkeys, and the leader of the donkeys is lion. Now who will win? Lions group or donkeys group?
Lions group.
You are wrong. Because the leader of the donkeys, who? Lion. So the leader leads the team. Depending on the leader, the group will win. So who is important in the group?
Leader.
Who is important?
Leader.
I can't hear you loudly. Who is important? Though the lions are very strong, the leader is weak. The donkey is weak. That's why they lose. Whereas the other side, the donkeys are weak, but the leader of the donkey, that is lion, is strong. That's why they win. Okay, everything depending on the leader. So who is your leader? School leader. Who is your school leader? I mean the head of all.
SPL and SPL.
Who say loudly?
SPL and SPL.
Who?
SPL and SPL.
No SPL. I mean the head. The head means the principal. Who is the leader of your school?
Principal.
Principal. If the leader is eminent or vibrant, the school grows up. The school, you have more strength. Today you have more strength. It is because you have a good leader, good principal. And who is leader of your house? Father. If the leader of your house, your father is good, the house is good. You be happy. If the leader of your house, the father of the house is not good, what happens? What happens? The family doesn't grow financially. They don't find any happiness. If the family is happy, it is because of the father, the leader of the family. If the school is happy, it is because of headmistress. The convent is happy, it is because convent leader ever. Who is the leader of the convent? Ikkada ever superior? Sister?